friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are first time for our channel, please like, comment, share, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification symbol. We are going to see about the strength of material unit 1 chapter 1 statics of particles solution for problems. This is the class 2. If you want to see the class 1, please visit my channel and see the previous videos. Today, solution for problem 2. The question is, two equal forces are acting at a point with an angle of 60 degree between them. If the resultant of the force is equal to 40 Newton, find the magnitude of each force. Now we are going to take the given data. There is a question, two equal forces. So we have the given data as the force P equal to Q and the resultant R equal to 40 Newton and the angle between that is 60 degree, theta equal to 60 degree. Now we are going to take the find. So find the magnitude of each force. We have to find the each force P and Q. Now we are going to the solution for this problem. We take the formula of resultant R equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Now we are going to substitute the values. So for R equal to 40, so we substitute 40 for the R and root of P square is the same, and instead of Q square we have to replace the Q with the P because P equal to Q, so the value are same, so I replace the value of Q as P. Now we get the as Q square as P square plus 2P into P cos 60 theta, we get the 60. For cos 60 we have the value 1 by 2, so the 2 by 2 is cancelled and we get it P into P as P square. Now we get the 3P squares. So 40 equal to root of 3P square. Now we have to cancel the root. So I square on both sides and we get 40 square equal to root 3P square whole square. Now this whole square and the root was cancelled and get 1600 for 40 square equal to 3P square. The 3P square is in multiplication. Now it was transferred to the other side as divide. So we get 1600 divided by 3 equal to P square. Now the 1600 divided by 3 is 533.33 equal to P square. Now we take the square transfers to that side. It is changed into the root value. So root of 533.33. I forget to put the root in the video. Please forgive me. And you have to take root for the 533.33. We get P equal to 23.09 Newton. If the given data was P equal to Q, then the value of Q also 23.09. Finally, we got the result as the forces P equal to 23.09 Newton and Q equal to 23.09 Newton. If you like this video, please like and comment if you have any doubt, and next video will be the solution for problem 3. Thank you friends.